So I'm on Think Central, and I'm going to show you a number of different ways to create an assignment. So the way it's organized is all the grade levels are at the top. I'm going to select the grade level that I teach, which is grade 2. And these are all the possible resources that are available for me. I could click on it and assign, or I can go over here, select the resource that I want. So for example, personal math trainer. I could scroll down and select the assignment. So for example, I could select assign and then you could go from there. Or I can go to the very top and select that blue button, which is browse. Scroll down, select your grade level, and on your left-hand side, there are two buttons, program structure and standards. So the standards are all the Common Core math standards. And if I select program structure, it's actually an overview of all the units that are available for your grade level. And it's broken up into chapters. So unit 1, chapter 1, and lesson 1. So I select core instruction, and then I could go ahead and assign this and schedule it. And these are all the resources that are available. And I could go ahead and select assign. Okay, so it's pretty easy. You can actually preview. Sorry, I'm going to go ahead and a preview. So let's say I select this. So this is what the kids will be doing on their own. Okay. So that's pretty much it.